Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how we can install the Mistral AI on Windows 11 locally. So at first we need to download and install Ollama, which is an open source platform to run LLMs. In the second step we will install the Mistral AI. Let's start with the first step, installing Ollama. Go to the web browser. On Google type Ollama and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible. Click on it. Now you can see the official website is visible. We want the version for Windows, so I'll directly click here, download. Now download for Windows button is visible. This is what we need to click on. Click. Download started, 664 MB. Let's wait. We have downloaded the exe file. Now right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Click install. Now the setup will install. Let's wait. So guys, we successfully installed Ollama. Let us verify and install Mistral AI. Go to start, type CMD, click open, type Ollama. This shows that we successfully installed Ollama. Now to run your model Mistral AI, you need to type this command, run command. So let me type it. Here it is, Ollama, run, and then mention the model name. But we want the exact model name. So on this same website, go to models. Herein you can search the model you want, or you can go below. When you'll go below, you can see Mistral is visible. Okay, we want the 7B. I'll click on it. Okay, so here it is, and here is the command. You need to type this command. If you want any other version, you can click here, but right now 7B is the latest one. You can copy this command directly, or you can directly type Mistral, press enter. It will take some time to pull. Let's see how many GBs. It's 4 GB, so it will take good amount of minutes. Let's wait. Now here you can see it is successful. It's visible. Now you can directly ask anything. Let's say I'll ask who are you? Okay, you can see I'm a large language model trained by Mistral AI. So let me ask, what is Python? Let's see the answer by the model. That's it guys, we successfully installed Mistral AI. Thank you for watching the video.